Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your climate control lights in your 4th gen Toyota 4Runner. It will also include showing you how to replace the clock display lights, any other lights that go into the whole climate control. All right, so what you're gonna need for this whole thing to get done, you're gonna need a screwdriver, you're gonna need a Phillips and a flathead, you're gonna need your hands, and then you're gonna need your replacement light bulbs. I'll give you the Amazon link in the description below. All right, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pop open this tray. You're gonna grab it on both sides, and then you're just gonna pull straight out. So you're gonna take your Phillips screwdriver. There's gonna be a screw right here. That's the only screw that you're gonna need to take off. Oh, look at that, it's broken. Then after that, you're gonna grab from the base of the climate control, and then you're gonna grab up here, and you're just gonna pull straight out. Takes a little force. That's the only cable that you're gonna have to undo. And that's it, it's out. All right, so we're in the back of the 4Runner. This would be an easier place to show you everything. If you just need to replace the clock display lights, it's gonna be these two right here. For each knob, you're gonna have a light here, one here, and one here. If your defrost and recirculation lights are out, it's gonna be these two right here. You're gonna have a light right here that lights up the reset mode. It's gonna be that light here. Now, I have the SR5 model, so I have 3 lights going across here. If you have a limited model, you're gonna have 2 lights right here in the center, one here and one here. So to replace the lights, just put your flathead in there, and it's a 1/4 turn. It should pop right out. Sometimes if it doesn't, you'll just hit it and it comes right out. Well, I only have one more green one. Well, I know these ones work, so I'm not gonna replace those. Wonder if they missed one in the kit. All right, there we go. Now, let's go see if they all light up. Hey. There we go. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this piece back on. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I just glued that back on. I put some extra glue over the top, just to give it some support. It's on there good enough just for me to go ahead and assemble it. So assembly is literally just the reverse order. Awesome, that looks great. Sweet, those all light up, looking good. I'll get you a better view once it gets darker out. And here's the after shot of everything. I can finally see everything, it's great. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. Take it easy, guys. All right, so first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pop open this tray, if it'll open for me. It's weird, never done that before.